We're hoping to start our summit push tonight at 10 p.m. I'm so happy. It's the second time we're here. I just have one wish. It's that to one God, to 10 gods, to Buddha, to Everest. Please, please. Let's a summit tonight on this beautiful mountain, on this sacred mountain. So I just wish all of us to, including the Sherpas, the guide, the cinematographers, something happens to one of us, then it's a failure. So please, Everest, please, I beg you, Everest, please, give us this one chance. It's our second time here. I know it's so hard to come back. I can't believe we're here again at Camp 4, so please, Everest, please. The view is just amazing. So as of now, everything is going well. There's just a lot of wind. I hope it calms down. And to Dad, I love you. Catherine, Mom, the rest of the family, Farhan, wish you all the best. Just one more thing. I know nothing can happen to us, but if something does, then so be it.